Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. For those of you who use custom instruments, I've now made it possible for you to load and assign your custom instruments one time, and after that your custom instruments will be saved in a database in the browser, and then you don't have to set them up every single time you use the tool. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this for you with this version of Ashokan Farewell that uses the tremolo mandolin. I'll go ahead and play this, and because I haven't loaded any custom instruments yet, it'll say that it needs to have that custom one loaded. So we'll go ahead and we'll load up some instruments here. We'll click on Settings and then Load Custom Instruments, and I'll actually load two custom instruments. I'll load the tremolo mandolin as well as a harmonica. And I'll assign these to some slots. So we'll assign the mandolin to slot 1 and the Hohner harmonica to slot 2. And we'll say Done. And it tells us that the two instruments were loaded. And we can go ahead and close this dialog. And now when I play it, you'll hear we get the tremolo mandolin. And if I change the custom instrument from custom instrument 1 to custom instrument 2, we should get the harmonica. Which we do. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reload the browser, and previously this would have required you to then manually reload those two instruments the next time you use the tool. And I will go ahead and I will open up that same tune and I'll go ahead and play it. And you'll hear that we get the tremolo mandolin without having to load the instrument. And if I switch to custom instrument number 2, you'll hear we'll get the harmonica. And if I do something like go into the settings and go into configure custom instruments and swap those, so now I will put the tremolo mandolin on instrument number 2, which is the one we're currently using. And you'll now hear we get the mandolin. We've swapped those two slots. And now I'll add another instrument. So we'll go to Load Custom Instruments. And in this case, I'll bring in the Yamaha upright piano here, and we'll assign it to custom instrument number 3. We'll say Done. And I will go ahead and close this out, and I will grab a snapshot so I don't have to reload it, and I'll refresh the page. Again, we've started the tool over. I will go ahead and add the snapshot there just to get the tune back, and I will set the instrument to custom 3, which should be the piano. And if we go into the custom instrument settings, you can see now we have the harmonica, the tremolo mandolin, and the piano. So this lets you set up your custom instruments one time and you're good to go. So if you know that you're always going to use the tremolo mandolin and the Yamaha upright piano, you can set up the instruments one time, and then every time you use the tool, those custom instruments will be instantly available to you in the slots that you've assigned in this dialog.